Hello friends, while visualizing the data in Power BI reports, if you have certain pictures or photographs and you want to place them in the report along with the data and you want to change that picture or photograph based on the data filters, this video will help you. In this report I have created a bar chart showing 4 directors and their titles directed by them, like Steven Spielberg directed 28, Christopher Nolan 23, and then James Cameron and Quentin Tarantino 10 each. I would like to have additional information. If I hover my mouse on the bar for Steven Spielberg, I should be able to see his photograph and along with that remaining all other data like this. If you look at this is a custom tooltip I have created where the picture is there of Steven Spielberg and then number of titles are 28, latest project 2020, recent top 5 titles. But when I keep the cursor on Christopher Nolan bar, I need to see the picture of Christopher Nolan and then accordingly the information. Same way James Cameron and Quentin Tarantino. Now let me explain you how to create it. Let me open a blank report and then let me add some data. So enter data and then I've pasted some information, that is director, year and title. The name of the table is Hollywood. Now let me create a bar chart showing number of titles and then the name of the director. For that, let me create a measure, total titles equal count of title. Now I am adding a bar chart. In the bar chart, let me add the name of the director in the axis and total titles in the values. Now I have got the information. Now I need to clean the chart quickly. Just go to formatting options, x-axis is nil and even x-axis titles I don't want, and in y-axis the text should be a bit high so that I can read that information clearly, and then I need to increase the size so that the names are appearing properly. Then adding some data labels and data label size maybe. That's good. So now my bar chart is ready. The next step is very important. I need to create an additional column in the data having a link of the photograph. Respective name, respective photograph link need to be there. For that, let me add new column. The new column name will be link equal. I'm using switch function and then true because I need to use the true conditions. And then let me quickly add the names first and then I will be changing it. So I'm just added it. Now this is nothing but the director name equal within double quotes James Cameron, then say 1, currently just say 1, and then again director equals Christopher Nolan, then 2, I'll replace them with the link, director equal Steven Spielberg 3, and I don't require this. Now let me replace this 1, 2, 3 with the links. For James Cameron, I need to take the link where his picture is, that link, copy, and then let me replace 1 with the name that should be within double quotes, the hyperlink in double quotes. Next, in case of 2, let me select Nolan picture. Let me copy this link and then replace 2 with this, and 3 will be Steven Spielberg. So let me select his column, his picture link, and then replace 3 there. Otherwise, alternatively, final picture is the the director Quentin. So now double quotes this and close bracket. If I press enter, I will be able to see those links, but currently this is not categorized. The data type is not categorized. Either you can do it here or you can change it in a different location, but let me select this column first. Now this column need to be changed as image URL, not a web URL, but image URL, because this is an image. Now you can see this column is, the data type is image URL, and then let me add a new page and then change the page size to tooltip. Here I'm just showing you how to add a picture, and rest of the data, other things you know through a different video where I have explained what is a tooltip and custom tooltip and how to create it. So in this case I'm just showing you the adding a picture so that you will be able to see how you can do it and how you can, you can practice it. So now for that, let me select a slicer, and the slicer will be containing the link. Now you can see the pictures are already arriving there. I need to make it as a proper slicer, that is orientation to horizontal. Now I need to remove the title or a slicer header because I don't want them, and then I need to make sure that the page tooltip is activated. This is very important. Tooltip should be activated, and you can have any name. I currently just left it as page 2. Now tooltip is on and tooltip size is made, and accordingly my picture is appearing here. Let me go back to page 1 where my chart, I need to select the chart, then go to the formatting options, then select tooltip, and then the whatever page is currently showing normal auto wise, but I need to select this page 2, and then it is Steven Spielberg, Christopher Nolan, James Cameron and Quentin. That way you can quickly add, and you can add many more elements, and then accordingly you can make this visualization much more interesting. So I'll just copy it. I can add a name, that is the name also should come automatically. For that I'll just select a slicer again. In the slicer now I'm adding the director name, and then let me make it as a horizontal, and then let me remove the slicer header and then make it small and keep it down. Make sure that you are not selected anything, otherwise it will show a wrong picture. So now let me select page 1 and let me show this. So this is Steven Spielberg, Christopher Nolan and James Cameron and Quentin Tarantino. Hope you understood the concept discussed in this video, and if you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section. If you like this video, please share with many, and please don't forget to subscribe, because I'm uploading many such videos, and whenever I upload a new video, to get notified you should subscribe. The download link is mentioned in the description of the video. Please download this and practice. Thank you very much.